Welcome. In front of me is a OPPO A6 Pro, and today I will show you how you can hard reset this device through recovery mode. So, before I get started, I do want to quickly mention that you can do this kind of reset in order to get rid of a screen lock if you have one set that you don't know. I don't have one, but literally nothing changes if you do. I do also want to mention that if you have a Google account signed in on this device and a screen lock that you want to get rid of because you don't know it, after you go through this process, you will need to verify either the Google account or the screen lock when you're going through the setup process. And if you can't do at least one of those, you will not be able to finish up the setup of the phone. Therefore, your device will be stuck in a setup stage and virtually becomes a brick because it's not like you can use it in this kind of state. So be mindful of that. But if you know, for instance, your Google account, you're good to go. Typically, I would have been recording bypasses to this, but since like Android 16 or even 15, there hasn't been any. So all the vulnerabilities have been patched up. You possibly could still pay to have it unlocked for in like some GSM services places, but I can't guarantee that. So anyway, let's get started. So what you first want to do is hold the power button and volume up at the same time, which will bring up boot options, and here just swipe down to turn off your phone. The device will turn off, and when it does, you want to hold power button and volume down at the same time. And when you see the OPPO logo, let go of just the power button, but keep holding volume down. Now when you see the language selection page like this one, you can let go of the volume down and now just select your desired language. Next, click on Format Data, and this will generate a code right here. It's going to be visible on your end no matter what the screen lock you have. This is just kind of like a confirmation that you want to factory reset your device. So I need to type this one in. Every time you tap on it, it will change. Right now for me this is 0039. When you type it in correctly, it gets you this pop-up at the bottom, Format Data. All user data will be reset. I'm going to select Format. Wiping, please wait. Once it's finished, which only takes a couple seconds, you can click on OK. And this will reboot the device on its own and continue resetting it in the background. Now because it is continuing the reset, it will take the device just a little bit longer to boot back up, so don't worry, this is completely normal. Now, when the process is finished, we'll be presented with the Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible for me. And as you can see, the process is now finished and you can set up your device however you like. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.